Hi, Luann and James. We're over here at 27 Red Maple. We brought our little Bose speaker over and set it up in the living room here just so we could get a feel for the volume. So it's a nice level in the room. Now with these bedrooms back here, you've got a door here, so that closes that off, and then a second door and obviously there was another door on this side that kind of goes through the cutway that will shoot over to the kitchen. This is not bad here. And we have found that the guest bedroom up here is even a little more insulated because of the glass up there. So this room is really good. We'll go back to